Traders feel immense pressure to take opportunities in the market and act, take trades, and make money. Thing is, day trading is not everyday trading. So, how can you hold the mental balance in order to say no and skip a trading day when the setup is not there, the conditions aren't favorable? Stay with me, and you'll gain some insights on this. Day trading is not easy. There's this temptation to merge it or confuse it with a normal 9 to 5, where you wake up, you have your hour to be on the charts, you have your duration of your session that you must stay spotting and managing opportunities, and then you have your hour to leave the charts. But it has nothing to do with the job. What about when there are simply no opportunities to be taken? Many times when there's nothing to trade, this job mindset takes over and the traders start to question, okay, I've been here waiting for so long, I must enter a trade. There has to be something today. I need action, I need productivity, I need to win, I need to become the trader I want to be, and that's done by trading. So where's the opportunities? Until their brain starts to distort the perception of the market and they start to see opportunities when there's really none. But at the time, your brain is making you believe that that is a good opportunity, a good entry point. So you go for it and the game is on. There is your opportunity to act and make money. And then the next candle that prints out is an engulfing candle against you and it stops you out just like that. You're again out of the game. And this is the time where you look back at your entry and you beat yourself up thinking, this is not even a valid entry. Why did I take this trade? But there it is. You only see it now because now you have the information that it was a loser. So your brain is now trying to justify why the entry wasn't valid, which actually wasn't. That's why the most important mindset to acquire as a trader is that day trading is not everyday trading. You don't need to be taking trades every single day in order to see your edge pan out. There are days that you simply don't have opportunities in the market. And it's not because the opportunities are weaker that you will take them. No, you see it as an opportunity to practice patience so you can wait for your A+ setup. And exercising this patience takes much of your mental effort too. So in a normal job, you're there to work. Regardless of your decisions, you're being paid by hour. What happens in trading is that you're paid in order to make the best decisions. And sometimes the best decision is doing nothing. But your ego doesn't want to accept this as truth. Your ego tells you to keep on taking trades, make that money, make that trade, oversize. And so it's difficult to distinguish what's right or wrong many times in the moment. So that's why it's so important to reinforce the association that you are not forced, you don't need, there's nobody telling you to take trades when there's nothing. So quality over quantity. If you put this mindset above the productivity mindset that you brought from your job or from society, from your upbringing, then you'll be able to understand what is an A+ setup, if it's your time to enter the market, or if the best option is to wait. Because when you take a trade-off strategy and it turns out to be a bigger loser because you widened your stop loss or you made a trading mistake, this has more consequences than the actual money that you lost. It's a big hit in your confidence that then will carry on for the performance of the next trades. And then you enter this loop of lack of self-confidence and you cannot get out of it. If you've been trying to fix a specific recurring trading mistake, or you want to become a better emotional manager, then I have a free email course for you called Mindset Mastery, where I explore various practical techniques that you can directly apply in your trading to fix specific trading problems. So sign up below and go for it. So for all day traders out there, which I am sure it already happened to you, taking a suboptimal trade because you want to satisfy your urge for action, keep this in mind. Keep in mind that you have a choice and that what you're truly looking for is X, Y, and Z. So be very clear about your setup, be objective and clear about it, and improve your ability to say no to the market when the conditions are not there, when the A plus setup is not present, and sometimes when your mental landscape is not in the right place too. It's very easy for that old system mindset to take over, and it happens when you're most vulnerable in the market. So you need to reinforce very well the idea that quality, that's what you're looking for, not quantity. And remember, patience always pays off. So if you are patient enough to not pull the trigger on a trade that's suboptimal, you'll eventually grow the confidence to when your A plus setup shows up, you immediately pull the trigger and you save yourself from poor performance. Peaceful trading, Sarah.